Flame for over 6 years now, and my research area is in the field of social media marketing, influencer marketing, and metaverse-based gaming. With the advancement in technology, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, the field of management has evolved leaps and bounds in less than a decade. This calls for new and advanced research in the field of management. We offer PhD in the area of supply chain management and operations, marketing management and consumer behavior, human resource management and organizational behavior, financial management and accounting, entrepreneurship, corporate social responsibility and ethics, and many more. As a pioneer in liberal education, we invite applicants who are passionate about inter and multidisciplinary research in the field of management to apply for the Flame University's doctoral program.